going to be awesome.
What person? Quinn Liu, Adrian Vega, or Dallas Camp? Were you driving the car? Was Adrian Vega driving the car?
All rise. Superior Court of the State of California, County of Los Angeles, Department 29 is now in session. Judge Deborah A. Cole presiding. Please be seated and come to order.
Good evening, Mr. Quinlitt. Isn't it true that you were outside smoking a cigarette on the night of April 19th?
Yes, it is.
And isn't it true that your eyes were focused on the front camera?
Yes, because I've met him a few times.
Did you see the driver of the car?
In a sense, I saw them close. Hit Cameron with his left front bumper. Cameron flew through the air and just slammed on the ground.
What was he or she wearing?
They were wearing a cargo and gold baseball cap, plus a white t-shirt.
This accident occurred at night, correct?
It did.
Was it a clear night or a cloudy night?
It was cloudy, but I had good vision, so I couldn't see.
Were there street lights in the intersection of the accident occurred?
Yes, there were. There were a few.
Were you looking on the right side of the path or the passenger side of the car?
I was looking on the driver's side because that was the side I was driving.
In the light of the fact that it was a dark, cloudy night, how can you be 100% sure you saw the glow of a cell phone and not just Cameron's headlamp reflecting in the car?
Because there was a headlight and there was a street light directly next to my house. Plus, I had good vision, so the night was pretty clear for me.
Were some of the street lights operating?
Yes, there were, but one of them that was working was again directly next to my house.
Thank you, no further.
We direct by the prosecution.
No, Your Honor.
You need this witness be excused.
Yes, Your Honor, the witness.
You've made an excuse. Thank you for your time. You may call your next witness.
I am very nervous.
Yeah, but you look prepared.
Yes, I am very prepared. I am very nervous, and I'm glad that we are not competing with the best team that won the competition last year.
Who are you guys going against?
I don't know. There's people over there.
Ah,
So
they were doing gangnam style.
okay, so I have to go.
When your total time for each section runs out, you will be stopped even if you have not finished. Attorneys must call 4 witnesses. This is a bench trial. At the end of the trial, I will render a verdict of guilty or not guilty in relation to the charge brought. The teams will be rated based on their quality of their performances, independent of my verdict. Barring unforeseen circumstances, no recesses will be called. If for any reason a recess is necessary, team members should remain in their appropriate places and should have no contact with spectators. Please remember that objections are limited to the California Mock Trial Simplified Rules of Evidence located in your case packet. If there are no questions, the trial shall begin.
You guys ready? Ready to rock and roll? Uh-oh. I might get in trouble.
You solemnly affirm that the testimony you are about to give will faithfully and truthfully conform to the facts and rules of the mock trial competition. You may be seated.
You may proceed.
Please state your name and
My name is Dallas Camp and I'm 20 years old.
where do you live?
I live near the intersection of Skyline and Grand.
On the night of the accident, did you see a bicyclist?
Yes.
Please describe what you saw.
The bicyclist was looking down while listening to the MP3 player on white headphones like earbuds.
Was the bicyclist wearing any protective equipment?
Yes.
Did the bicyclist have anything in his ears?
Yes.
What?
The bicyclist had white headphones and earbuds.
Did Quinn Liu yell out to the bicyclist?
Yes.
Did he respond to Quinn Liu's yelling?
No.
Did he have it? Okay, never mind. Following the conclusion, what did you see next?
I saw Quinn Liu run to the bicyclist, and then he ran back to his house and shouted to me something about calling 911.
How do you know Quinn Liu?
He is my next door neighbor.
Did you approach the bicyclist?
Yes.
Did the bicyclist identify the driver?
No.
Were you interviewed by the police?
Yes.
Objection, Your Honor. There's a lack of foundation. We have no idea if the cops are right to the scene.
It was brought out in joint testimony in the case in chief. So it's overruled.
Was the interview long?
No.
Did you ever follow up with the police?
Yes.
How many times?
Twice.
Did they ever respond?
No.
Thank you. No further questions.
Yes, Your Honor.
Please conform to the facts and rules of the Marshall Constitution. You may be seated.
Good evening, Adrian Vega. Good evening. Do you play any sports?
Yes, I am on the Hidden Valley and Highland Swim.
What happened at the meet?
I was approached by a scout from the university.
Objection, Your Honor. There is a lack of foundation. Counsel has not established whether Adrian Vega was at swimming.
Sustained. Can you establish that she was at the swimming?
Yes, it was at a swim.
Or can you ask?
Good. What happened at the swim meet? Okay, were you at a swim meet?
Yes, I was.
What was the doubts of letting Tony drive?
My doubts were that my father would.
Objection, Your Honor. There is a lack of foundation.
Adrian Vega, that's the main person that we don't want them to go to jail. Okay, so
The counsel has not yet established whether Tony was driving that night.
I don't think that was the question. Can you rephrase your question?
what was the doubts of letting Tony drive?
Tonight, this night, or any night?
On April 19th.
Well, you haven't established that, so why don't you re-ask your question?
Okay,
So the objection is sustained.
so okay. So I just move on to okay. What was the doubts of letting Tony drive on the night of April 19th?
My doubts were that my father would become very upset with me if he had found out that I had let somebody other than myself or him drive his car.
What would your dad do if someone other than yourself was driving the car?
He would be very, very upset with me.
Did you see authorities at your home that night?
Yes, I did.
What did you tell the officer?
I told him about the drive, Tony's driving, or the swim meet.
Objection, Your Honor. Counsel's question calls for lack of foundation. Counsel has not yet established whether Adrian Vega talked to the officer.
You heard that in your case, the chief officer, right, testified that the objection is overruled.
Were you falsely imprisoned?
Yes, I was.
Why did you say you'll never forgive yourself?